Wolfie Gaming, and today we are doing something called the useless web. So we are going to go to a useless website, as you can see right here. Take me to a useless website, please. And don't mind the fan in the background. Okay, let's start. Has the large hadron collie? Nope. Okay. Take me to another useless website. That one was weird. Ninja. Flex?
Ninja. Flex. Ninja.
Ninja Flex, that's what it's called. Okay, let's try this again. Tagua. Ooh. Ooh. Reset. Ooh, cool. You get to see Tagua. The name of it is oh God! That's let's get off of that. Random color. Okay, that is random color. I love you like a fat lady. Loading. I think I've heard of this one before. It's a fat, yeah. So you grab the apple, and you eat it. Oh no! Somebody give it back to me. That was weird. So we're just like, what the hey? Give me the apple, please. Give me the apple. I need to eat the apple. Whoa. You eat. Whoa. I'm gonna eat 3 apples. Okay. Oh, the apple core's there. Do I have to eat the apple core? Do I seriously have to eat the apple core? Give it to me. Give me the apple core. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna reset this, and I'm gonna see how much time we have on this video. So we are at. I has a bucket. No, they be stealing my bucket. Okay, that's odd. We are at. Is that 2 minutes or 20? Okay, yeah, 2 minutes and about 30 minutes. 30 seconds, sorry. I has a bucket. No, they be stealing my bucket. That's odd. Take me to another useless website, please. ChrisMcKenzie.com. Aww, he's cute. Chris? Okay, let's go back to another useless website. Vurasan Collection. What is this? Ooh, you can flop him around. That's cool. I like that. Okay, take me to another useless. Giant bat farts. What the heck? Bat? That is so... You are so not respectful, bat. Just farting in my face. Ringtelephone.com. Okay. These are a whole bunch. Pointer by... Oh, I love this one. I've heard of it too. I've only heard of 2. Oh, that's, yeah. So you finding pointer located. Yeah, that's cool. So you just find, that's so cool. So you just it just finds a random picture. And, the random picture that puts your, will the future be awesome? Maybe. Maybe the future will be awesome. What do you guys think? Will the future be awesome? The salmon, what the heck? That is a lot of salmon. Look at that salmon. Look at that salmon. Okay. Nulling the void. Ooh. Oh! Nulling the void. Nulling the void is kind of crazy. Is my computer on.com? Yes. Well, obviously. Okay. The last page of the internet. Attention, you have reached the very last page of the internet. We hope you have enjoyed your browsing. Now turn off your computer and go outside. Not yet. I still have to do a video, sir. Yeah, I'm a ninja. You aren't a ninja because I can't find you. Okay, goodbye. Collection of Almar and Mar. What in the world? Are they... What's going on? Okay, that's odd. That is very weird. Go back. Crouton. Ooh, what's that? Crouton.net. Okay, I don't care. Take me to another useless website, please. Ooh, Blaze. That's weird. Completely weird. Take me to another useless website, please. Please donate Donate? No, thank you. So I don't know if that's a scam. It could be a scam. Waiting for Nelson. Haha, do you too, monsieur? Monsieur. ElectricboogieWoogie.com. Ooh, cool. That looks odd. Okay, let's look. We're at 6. Ooh, look at all that. There is a corn dog on corndog.com. Okay. This is... Oh, it's a Froyo. That's what it said. Snowman Froyo. Aye! Well, that... Okay. 10 cents info. That's very useless. You just stare at it. The weirdest anime. What the heck? Okay, that's odd. Ooh. Okay, this is lagging. Oh my pugs! That's funny. Love pugs. Collection of, what is that? It's just randomly change colors, okay. Why does it keep saying, please like, but I don't want to like. The end of reason. What is that? What are you? What is this? Okay, let's try that again. I'm awesome? It's true. It says that in the corner. You guys can't see because the screen is a little bit like, what? Patience is a virtue. Okay, well, load. Please load. This won't load. No. We have to take it off. Okay. Collection of... Hi, dude. And I like the... Ooh. Look at that. Monsieur. Whoa. Look at that. That's so funny. I love that. Ooh. You look cool. Okay. Well, goodbye, Mr. Face. Jody. Zombo.com. Okay, I don't care. Is it white? Yes, the screen is white. Okay, take me to another useless website, please. Secrets of... Whoa! 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 Beautiful. So crazy. No, get off. Okay, we're going to another useless website. Ew! There's a poop emoji over here. You guys can't see it, but if you see there is a poop emoji in the left-hand corner. That is weird. Very, very weird, seeing what time it is. So we're almost at 10. What does that say? Hardcore... What the heck? That's really weird. So many dogs. That is amazing. Okay, this is amazing. I can't even see my... Okay, that was cool. I love that. I love pugs. Bacon sizzling. Oh my god. The bacon. The bacon. The bacon is cooking. Now I have to wait for it. Pixelsfighting.com. Ooh. The pixels are fighting. Who will win? Who will win? Dark green, come on. Come on. Come on. Now I'm thinking pink one. Pink. Balls. So many balls. Actually, not that much. But that's an epic flute solo. This is Minecraft. Yeah, look. HPP, like up here it says minecraftstall.com. That's it's one of the, there is nothing here. Yes, there is feet. 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 There's feet. Oh. Okay. Tom's what? Oh my god, that is so cute. I just want to grab the screen and kiss it. Look at that thing. That is the cutest dog I've ever seen. Look at this. So many dogs in this episode. Like we had the dogs swimming in the water. Now we have the dogs standing there. Ding dong. Yes, coming in. What? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Too many doors. Oh, how many doors do I have? Ugh. You know, I'm gonna give up and go sit on my couch. Face of despair. That is the most derpiest face I've ever seen. Okay, let's go to another. Pet the dog. Pets. One. Hit. I'm just gonna pet it as many times as I can. Just tap it. Tap it. I'm going to pet this dog at least 100 times. Pet it. Pet the dog. That's. I'm gonna pet the dog. Pet the dog 100 times. I have done it. I have done the petting. What is this? If it takes 2 minutes to load, then I can't put it on the video. Sorry. Okay, loading. Eel slap. Ooh. Slap. 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 Dude, you've been very mean to me. Slow. Wait. Slow. What now? I don't care if it's Monday. Slow-mo slap. Oh, slap back, slap forward, slap back, slap forward. Okay. Well, I think I'm going to end the video of going to so many... Ooh, bury me with my money.
Bury me with my money.
You're odd, and you want to be buried with money. Okay, so I'm going to actually end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of doing the... Ooh. Oh. Whoa. Something just broke. Don't worry about that. Whoa. Okay, that's kind of freaky. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video of the completely useless web, failing.com. Oh, my eyes are hurting. Oh my god, my eyes are hurting. Okay, oh god, get off of this. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video of the useless web. We might do more, we might not, we're probably not going to. Only one video of the useless web, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye. Okay, so see you guys, bye.